So just did a quick Costco run to pick up things for the winter show. So I'm just starting this vlog where I ended last time, which is that I'm picking up winter stuff. Winter show stuff for my daughter's gymnastics thingamajig. So I got I think most of what I needed, except I need a what's it called? A bag of assorted chips. And Costco didn't have any. All they had was like the super large stuff. So I'm gonna go make one more stop and try to get that, and then I'm gonna go home and finish. I ran out of gummies when I was packaging them out, so I'm gonna package the other ones, and then I'll be done, and then I can deliver them tomorrow. I had to let them know that unfortunately Tibbs isn't well, and she's missing practice. She missed practice yesterday. She missed practice today. And whether or not she'll participate tomorrow is kind of like, she'll be sad about it. She's super sad about it, but that's just the way it goes, So yeah. Welcome to the vlog.
Let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise
so bad.
We're gonna
Okay.
dance, dance, dance,
Come on.
dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making it to send you and me. Doesn't matter if it's Christmas.
I forgot what she said. I guess these are short ones. Where's your father? Can you get one of those bags for me?
Mike, repeat 304. Mike, 304.
Open the bag. Thank you. Boy, you can't. Is that yam over there? I'm gonna go over there and see. Well, that's not the right thing, is it? It comes over here.
The yellow yam.
Yes, me too, my love, me too.
It's right behind us.
I love you.
I think that's. Oh. Okay. Oh, Jesus.
This is nice, isn't it? You don't think so?
I love you.
This is so nice.
I like pink more.
This is very pretty, Shivy.
But this is. I like the pink.
You have lots of pink stuff. Look how pretty this is. Oh my gosh, seriously?
What? Pink is my favorite.
I know, but that can't be the only thing you've got.
What do you mean the only thing I got?
It can't be the only thing you've got. That's, what's it called? Shivy, keep your eyes. Oh, but you're so plushy.
Christmas types. And we just have 3 Christmas types.
They've got a sign talking about a list of things that are supposed to be GST free. Fat lot, that'll do. No. Let me see them. I'm not them shrink up and look like a picnic. Now you can see my damage. I have some deep damage to the end of my ear. But it's growing out.
Mommy, we get to decorate.
And moose and Swiss. Feel a little picnic, but GST free. A couple of years ago, I found chicken ham, and it just does not seem like I'm ever gonna find chicken ham again. I'm so sad because babe doesn't eat pork, and I really want ham for the whole family, but it does not seem like I'm never gonna find chicken ham again. Dot 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 dot. I'm so sad because I liked it. It was so good. I had found it in Jamaica and I had seen it when I came over here, but then it was just like this mystery thing, like this ghost. You know, like you see a ghost one time and then you never see it again. That's what chicken ham has been doing to me. But I might buy one of them, like one here, Black Forest ham, so that we have a little bit of ham. Is this any good? Pillars. What is? Pork cock. I take more thought. No, oil. Smoked ham. This one's a little piece. Alright, folks. So, back from doing a little shopping. The so-called tax break, as I was saying in the store, has started. And truly, really? That ain't it. Well, you know what? Let me not be ungrateful, but at the same time, talking to you, I got love. Anyway, my hair is, like me say, it do. The man ear for do and the picnic ear for do. So that is what my weekend is going to be filled with.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now, there's something in the air, and a sparkly shimmer on our skin.